Okay, I'm back out here again in the garage. I've been cleaning up, getting ready for the assembly, working on the valve train, getting the rocker arms, push rods and all that cleaned up. I've soaked them for a couple of days in mineral spirits, cleaned them up with a stainless steel wire brush, and then I give them a second bath, which come out super clean. I've inspected everything. I put all my rocker arms in a plastic 1-gallon bag, added some oil, rolled it around a little bit to get the oil all over everything to prevent rust. I've done that to all the parts. Now, before I ever put these in the bag, I inspected the working surfaces to make sure they're free of pits and scarring. The parts are cheap. Replace them now so you don't have to do it later. Now, on the connecting rod, or on the push rods rather, spin it around and look at it visibly. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Try to. Spin it around and look at it visibly and see if you can see any pits in it. If there's a pit in it, that means there was a piece of material in there when they were created or made that shouldn't be there. It wasn't fully melted into the metal. That makes a weak spot. So that would need to be replaced. You also need to put them down on a super flat surface and see that they roll freely without any wobble to them at all. If there's any wobble to them at all, you're going to find out that that is a bent push rod. Replace it. Look at all your surfaces. Make sure that all your working surfaces are free from burrs, scarring. These things are only about $4, $5 a piece, and they're not that expensive, so go ahead and replace them. I'm going to grab another one here. Well, you can't really see it very well, but there is a little wear spot. It's just normal wear and tear. It's where the push rod has gone up and down in the head, and it's touching the head ever so slightly, and it's wearing a smooth spot in there. This is normal. Unless it's an excessive amount, I wouldn't worry about it. Now this engine sit around for a long time. It came out of a 77 model Winnebago van. Only had 30,000 miles on it. So it sit for a tremendous amount of time. And there is evidence of a little bit of rust that was on the non-working surfaces. I went over that with Scotch-Brite, and I'm going to put everything in a plastic bag, boil it down to prevent it from getting any worse. Find your parts that are bad, replace them now. You need to soak the lifters well ahead of time. You see the little bubbles coming up? That's the lifters accepting the oil. So I like to start this like 3 days ahead of time.